Everyone experiences major failures at some point in life, whether it's a career setback, a personal disappointment, or a missed opportunity. The first step in recovering is to acknowledge what happened without denial or blame. Facing failure head-on allows us to process the event and begin the journey toward healing. It's natural to feel overwhelmed, but remember, failure is not the end. It's a turning point. By accepting the reality, you lay the foundation for growth and resilience. In this video, we'll explore practical steps to bounce back from a major failure and regain your confidence. After a major failure, emotions can run high. You might feel sadness, anger, or even shame. It's important to allow yourself to feel these emotions rather than suppressing them. Emotional responses are a natural part of the recovery process. Take time to reflect on your feelings and understand their source. Journaling, talking to a trusted friend, or seeking professional support can help you process these emotions. Remember, emotional healing is the first step toward moving forward. By acknowledging your feelings, you create space for acceptance and eventual growth. Acceptance is a crucial step in recovering from failure. It means recognizing what happened, understanding your role, and letting go of self-blame. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up. It means acknowledging reality so you can move forward. This process can be difficult, but it's essential for healing. By accepting the situation, you free yourself from the weight of regret and open the door to new possibilities. Acceptance is the bridge between the past and the future, allowing you to focus on what comes next. Practicing self-compassion is vital after a major failure. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, just as you would a friend in the same situation. Remind yourself that everyone makes mistakes, and that failure is a part of growth. Avoid harsh self-criticism and instead focus on learning from the experience. Self-compassion helps you rebuild your confidence and resilience, making it easier to recover and move forward. By nurturing yourself, you create a positive environment for healing. Take time to reflect on the failure and analyze what went wrong. Ask yourself what factors contributed to the outcome and what you could have done differently. This reflection is not about assigning blame, but about understanding the situation and learning from it. By analyzing the failure, you gain valuable insights that can help you avoid similar mistakes in the future. Reflection turns failure into a learning opportunity, paving the way for personal growth. Every failure carries valuable lessons. Identify what you learned from the experience, whether it's about your skills, decision-making, or relationships. Write down these lessons and consider how you can apply them in the future. Learning from failure transforms it into a stepping stone for success. By focusing on the lessons, you shift your perspective from loss to growth, making it easier to move forward with confidence. Reframing failure means changing how you view the experience. Instead of seeing it as a setback, consider it an opportunity for growth and improvement. This shift in mindset helps you build resilience and optimism. By reframing, you empower yourself to take positive action and pursue new goals. Remember, many successful people have faced major failures before achieving greatness. Reframing is the key to turning adversity into advantage. After reflecting on your failure, it's time to set new goals. These goals should be realistic, achievable, and aligned with your values. Setting new goals gives you direction and motivation to move forward. Break your goals into small, manageable steps and celebrate progress along the way. By focusing on the future, you shift your energy from regret to action, making recovery possible. Action is the antidote to stagnation. Once you've set new goals, take concrete steps toward achieving them. Start small if necessary, but keep moving forward. Action builds momentum and restores your sense of control. By taking initiative, you demonstrate resilience and determination. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Every step counts in your recovery journey. Recovering from a major failure can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Seek support from friends, family, or professionals. Sharing your experience and receiving encouragement can make a big difference. Support networks provide perspective, advice, and emotional comfort. By connecting with others, you strengthen your resilience and gain valuable insights for moving forward. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity. Building resilience involves developing coping skills, maintaining a positive outlook, and learning from setbacks. Practice self-care, stay optimistic, and focus on your strengths. Resilience is not innate. It can be cultivated through experience and effort. By building resilience, you prepare yourself to face future challenges with confidence. Self-care is essential during recovery. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Eat healthy, exercise, get enough sleep, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Self-care helps you recharge and maintain balance. By prioritizing your well-being, you create a strong foundation for recovery and future success. Maintaining a positive attitude is crucial when recovering from failure. Focus on your strengths, achievements, and the progress you've made. Positive thinking helps you overcome setbacks and motivates you to keep going. Surround yourself with uplifting people and messages. By staying positive, you create an environment that supports growth and recovery. It's easy to compare yourself to others, especially after a failure. However, comparison can undermine your confidence and hinder recovery. Remember, everyone's journey is unique. Focus on your own progress and growth. Avoid comparing your setbacks to others' successes. By embracing your individuality, you foster self-acceptance and resilience. Failure often highlights areas for improvement. Use this opportunity to learn new skills or enhance existing ones. Enroll in courses, read books, or seek mentorship. Learning empowers you to overcome future challenges and boosts your confidence. By investing in yourself, you turn failure into a catalyst for growth. Major failures often require change. Embrace change as a natural part of life and growth. Adapt to new circumstances and be open to new opportunities. Change can be uncomfortable, but it also brings fresh perspectives and possibilities. By embracing change, you position yourself for future success. Self-forgiveness is essential for recovery. Let go of guilt and regret and forgive yourself for mistakes made. Forgiveness frees you from the past and allows you to focus on the future. Practice self-compassion and remind yourself that failure is a part of learning. By forgiving yourself, you create space for healing and growth. Failure can shake your confidence, but it's possible to rebuild it. Start by recognizing your strengths and achievements. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate each success. Confidence grows with experience and positive reinforcement. By focusing on progress, you restore your self-belief and prepare for future challenges. Persistence is key to overcoming failure. Keep working toward your goals, even when progress is slow. Persistence demonstrates determination and resilience. Remember, setbacks are temporary, but persistence leads to lasting success. By staying committed, you turn failure into a stepping stone for achievement. Recovery is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Recognize the steps you've taken and the growth you've achieved. Celebrating progress boosts motivation and reinforces positive behavior. By acknowledging your achievements, you build momentum for continued recovery. Keep perspective during recovery. Remember that failure is just one part of your journey, not the whole story. Maintain a balanced view of your experiences and focus on the bigger picture. Perspective helps you avoid dwelling on setbacks and encourages optimism. By seeing failure in context, you foster resilience and hope. Flexibility is important when recovering from failure. Be willing to adjust your plans and try new approaches. Flexibility allows you to adapt to changing circumstances and overcome obstacles. By staying open-minded, you increase your chances of success and recovery. Gratitude helps shift your focus from what went wrong to what is going well. Practice gratitude by acknowledging the positive aspects of your life. Gratitude fosters optimism and resilience, making it easier to recover from setbacks. By appreciating what you have, you create a positive mindset for growth. Reconnect with your purpose and values. Remind yourself why you started and what matters most to you. Purpose provides direction and motivation during recovery. By focusing on your values, you regain clarity and drive to move forward. Visualization is a powerful tool for recovery. Imagine yourself succeeding and achieving your goals. Visualization boosts confidence and motivation, making it easier to take action. By picturing success, you reinforce positive beliefs and behaviors. Track your progress as you recover from failure. Monitoring helps you stay accountable and motivated. Use journals, apps, or checklists to record achievements and setbacks. By tracking progress, you identify patterns and make adjustments as needed. Stay connected with your support network. Relationships provide encouragement, advice, and perspective. Regular communication helps you feel less isolated and more empowered. By staying connected, you build a strong foundation for recovery. Regularly review your recovery plan and adjust as needed. Flexibility allows you to respond to new challenges and opportunities. By reviewing and adjusting, you ensure continued progress and growth. Recovery is an ongoing process that requires attention and adaptation. Sharing your story can inspire others and reinforce your own recovery. Talk about your experience, the lessons learned, and how you overcame setbacks. Storytelling builds connection and encourages others to persevere. By sharing, you turn failure into a source of strength and inspiration. Recovering from a major failure is a journey that involves acceptance, reflection, learning, and action. By following these steps, you can rebuild your confidence, set new goals, and embrace growth. Remember, failure is not the end, it's a beginning. With resilience, support, and determination, you can bounce back stronger than ever. Keep moving forward and trust in your ability to overcome any setback.